TILO has awesome products to refurbish the staircase in your home. A straight stair is the archetype of all stair layouts. It appears without detours and comes into its own wherever generous planning is possible. With TILO floors, the straight staircase becomes an eye-catcher in the material of your choice. A staircase in an L or U shape connects the levels of your home in an elegant way and becomes an eye-catcher with the matching TILO coverings. Also and especially with the U-shaped staircase, it can be designed with a platform or spirally and is often used for staggered living levels. An L-shaped staircase conveys a feeling of lightness and spaciousness. A TILO stair step with a simply hammered-in step edge profile plays the main role here. TILO's compact step are ideally suited for renovation and look great. EC1 elasticated bonding is ideal for this job and environmentally friendly. Once the wood is cut to size, pieces easily click together, making life easier. Modern, simple and stylish TILO's quality compact steps are high in quality. Weekend Walls was started to give new life to reclaimed wood. This material is not only beautiful but reusing wood reduces the need for new materials to be manufactured. To make our paneling, we use 100% reclaimed California redwood fence boards. These boards have an authentic patina that can only come from years of being exposed to the elements. This wooden bed frame will contain lights. This bed looks like it has been floating in the air. This is how NARO Ceramic installs a shower floor using pebbles and mortar. Mortar is the mixture of water and cement. It is recommended to use rubber bucket for the mix. Pebbles are water resistant and durable, making them a good option for shower floors. Josephine was missing a big enough vase for long branches and stems, so she did several herself, soaking towels into concrete and letting them dry. With this technique, you can create any shape. You only need to let the towel dry in that position. Concrete overlay counters give you the look and feel of solid concrete counters without the issues typically associated with concrete counters. Our concrete overlay is a thin concrete-like product. Combined with our top coats, they are seamless, extremely durable, non-porous, and easy to install. No need to rip out your current countertops. You can go right over them with our concrete overlay countertop kits. As the creators of the original epoxy countertop kit, we have designed our kits to be the easiest to install on the market. Transform any countertop with one of our many countertop kits. Whether you want the look of high-end marble, natural stone, or concrete, LEGGARI has you covered. Each kit has been designed by the best installers in the industry using the most straightforward techniques. As the inventors of the metallic epoxy countertop kit, our standard kits have become the industry standard for beautiful high-end epoxy countertops installed by thousands. They provide beautiful marbleized finishes with a plethora of color options and techniques. After years of developing new and exciting techniques, we've developed a new thicker countertop kit using a dirty pour technique originally founded in the art industry. These are our new Leggari stone kits. These new kits are twice as thick as our standard kits and have stone-like movement only typically found in nature itself. Both styles are beautiful and offer differing looks, but one thing is for sure, every one of our countertop kits is a showstopper. This is how to make an awesome stone fireplace to add to your home terrace. Using an angle grinder, he cuts the mesh frame and binds it together like rebar. He adds 4 swivel caster wheels, designed to rotate 360 degrees. Stones are used to fill the inside the fencing, creating a wall and support. Slide in your fire tray and enjoy your DIY, portable, outdoor terrace edition. Alex shows how to easily get stylish pillow hanger. A tape with a wooden pattern is basically all you need. Once the length is measured, the tape is folded to get a fine strip. A single screw is enough to attach it to the back of your bed. This practical idea will assure your comfort while you lean back. MIFADA is a crafter from Indonesia who liked to experiment with PVC tubes. He started to do pieces with this material as an inspiration for his young students to work independently. He starts this decorative lamp by cutting the water tube or PVC with the size he is aiming. Later on he creates the stripes and cuts them, blending them using fire, which makes them softer. The good thing of using PVC is how easy it is to shape or mold it without breaking. After completing the desired shape, he painted using spray paint. Using black color makes it look like a metal frame. After then he attached the bulb holder for the source of light. Place a small yellow bulb for an elegant look.